Hi guys, it's me, it's Jimmy again. Do you know Facebook is receiving a lot of search warrant from the USA government from the New York court. I'm just talking about the domestic Facebook of America. I'm not talking about international. So the most scary part of it, last year the USA court, the USA law enforcement, which include the FBI, their local police, whatever their local agencies we even don't know their name is, they have requested 12,598 search warrant, I mean total request to the Facebook to show their profile, to give their password so the law enforcement agency can arrest them or try to prepare a case the person of that account. Really, it is the most scariest part out of most of guys. Sometimes, let me give you an example. Sometimes a person is writing something, he put his thoughts out. It can take in any context. Probably the world is facing a terrorism in all contexts. I'm not talking about Muslim terrorism. I'm talking about Christian terrorism. I'm talking about the shooting in America occurred. I'm talking about any kind of terrorism. Probably I don't want to go in any kind of debate. I'm a Muslim. I'm not defending Muslim. I'm just telling you do your research. I'm talking about the local terrorism. America does not have any Muslim terrorism. America faced the cult terrorism, the shooting, the school shooting. You probably know that kind of people. Whenever they are going to commit a crime, they put it out that we are going to do. They try to express their feeling. That is a good thing, to be honest with you. If American law enforcement want to prepare the case before a person is going to commit some kind of random local shootout, killing innocent kids, killing innocent people. But the scary part of it, most of guy us or guy you just say bullshit on Facebook. Oh, if I have a gun, I'm gonna shoot Obama. The guy who really, I'm talking about American citizen, the person who really like to comment this kind of comment so easily, the American law enforcement agency can prepare the case. Not only that, the secret messages exchange on the Facebook, the American citizen, like the Wall Street movement, they say, oh, we are gonna take down the American empire, and they say, yeah, let's do the protest, let's move to Washington, let's take out take out the American empire, let's do some kind of surprise attack. The day surprise attack is like a protest, not some kind of what probably you're thinking. But American law enforcement agency, they're going to prepare the case if Facebook reveal their account information, their account password easily. American law enforcement agency gonna issue the arrest warrant, and then you probably know. In any context, you are saying we are going to do the surprise attack in what? Let me give you an example. A person say I'm gonna shoot. What does it mean? It mean a gun or it mean a camera? I'm gonna shoot with you with a camera because I'm the cameraman. I'm gonna shoot with a gun. It can take in any context. I'm just saying there are a lot of bad people out there on Facebook. Please take their Facebook down. Please, I will say take their Facebook down. I don't know why Facebook is not taking their Facebook down, the Facebook profile of a terrorist, but the innocent people are gonna, to be honest, the guy who is gonna go into jail, because the terrorists who are issuing things on the Facebook that they are going to do something. I'm not saying any crackdown on them. I'm not going to go in any kind of argument. Simple as that. I'm not going to talk about the gun control law. I'm not going to say that America want local shooting to be happen to control the gun law. I'm not going to any kind of argument. I'm not going to tell my opinion of gun control. Should American have the guns or not? I'm really not going to debate that. I'm just saying that the innocent person. FBI, American law enforcement agency, is going to come after them. Simple as that. So try to be much as private as you can. Don't try to extend any kind of messages. Facebook already bought WhatsApp app. Don't try to say something silly things like any kind of things. It can easily, the FBI, American law enforcement agency, is going to prepare a case for you. So it's a really scary part, because 12,598 total requests from the USA law enforcement agency last year, and in some case the data was produced. Because when we make the Facebook account, there is a term and condition. Whatever happens, Facebook will not reveal any of our private information to anyone, even to the USA government, even to the law enforcement agency. But according to some reports, unconfirmed, 81% time Facebook have given the data and try to help the USA government. Okay, I don't know what to make of it. Really making me crazy. I don't know. I'm thinking to just to delete my Facebook account, and then I'm really happy without Facebook. Really, I'm. It's a very scary thing. To be honest with you, if you're investing in Facebook stock, just short the stock. Short means sell the stock. Do not buy anything new. Really, is a scary thing that Facebook is receiving arrest warrant, and then even some people are arrest. US government is not going to confirm, even but very scary thing is, I will say, it's better you build something better than the Facebook, or something like not a monopoly, like not a one man show. Try to build something much better than a Facebook. uh, what was it called? There was a phone coming, the black phone. The black phone was that NSA cannot try to break into phone, cannot steal your data, cannot tap your phone. I will say try to build something like a black Facebook. Black Facebook properly mean no intelligence agency, no USA law enforcement, FBI, or whoever can request that data. Even of course they will request that data, but the owner or the social media site will not produce your data to anyone, to literally to anyone. So quite scary thing. Facebook is helping the USA law enforcement agency, giving us our private data. Really not good. But I'm just thinking which kind of photos, images they are receiving. Like most of girls like to take images like this. This will be the images in the case file which will be preparing for the arrest warrant. Quite sad story of today. Subscribe to my channel. Bye, Anara.